Spotter Perimeter Surveillance Radars. The Spotter Perimeter Surveillance Radars offer cutting-edge security by detecting intruders before they even approach your property. These radars, trusted by top-tier US energy companies, operate seamlessly regardless of weather conditions. With precise GPS tagging of intruders, you'll know their exact location in real time. The user-friendly interface makes setting up and configuring tracking zones as easy as playing a video game. What sets the Spotter system apart is its ability to provide 24/7 surveillance without any downtime, ensuring that your property remains protected round the clock. Whether it's day or night, rain or shine, the Spotter radars are always vigilant, offering peace of mind to property owners who prioritize security. By integrating advanced technology with intuitive controls, Spotter makes it effortless to monitor your perimeter and respond swiftly to any potential threats. Sunflower Labs drones. Sunflower Labs drones provide advanced aerial security solutions, especially beneficial for large properties and vital facilities. With quick deployment in just 5 seconds and autonomous operation, these drones swiftly capture high-definition footage. Their rapid recharge time of 22 minutes ensures continuous surveillance, making them indispensable tools for security professionals. The drone's ability to fly at speeds of up to 14.5 kilometers per hour allows them to cover large areas efficiently, providing comprehensive security coverage from the sky. Equipped with sophisticated sensors and cameras, Sunflower Labs drones can detect intruders from afar and relay real-time information to security personnel on the ground. By combining the latest in drone technology with intelligent software algorithms, Sunflower Labs delivers unparalleled security solutions that enhance situational awareness and response capabilities. Fog Cannon offers a unique and effective security solution by filling a room with dense fog in seconds, disorienting intruders and protecting valuable assets. With its safe and non-toxic fog formula, it ensures the safety of people and electronics while deterring intruders. Trusted by high-profile clients like Chanel and the Bank of Ireland, it provides reliable protection against theft and vandalism. The standard model releases 250 cubic meters of fog in just 16 seconds, ensuring rapid deployment and coverage of large areas. With its proven track record and advanced technology, Fog Cannon offers peace of mind for property owners seeking effective security solutions. Fantom Defender. The Fantom Defender offers a simple yet effective solution for enhancing door security. By replacing traditional chain locks, it prevents forced entry attempts and provides peace of mind for homeowners. With its ability to withstand up to 227 kilograms of pressure and sledgehammer attacks, it offers reliable protection against intruders. Easy to install and operate, the Fantom Defender is a cost-effective way to improve home security without compromising convenience. Whether used on residential or commercial doors, it provides an additional layer of protection against unauthorized access and intrusions. HavenLock provides robust security for doors, withstanding up to 900 kilograms of force to prevent forced entry attempts. Its smart features, including break-in alerts and remote control capabilities, offer peace of mind for homeowners. Approved by the US Department of Homeland Security, it meets stringent security standards for reliability and effectiveness. HavenLock is suitable for use on any door, providing enhanced security and protection for homes and businesses alike. With its durable construction and advanced technology, it offers peace of mind and security for occupants, deterring intruders and protecting valuable assets. Sublethal Remote Gun. The Sublethal Remote Gun offers a non-lethal yet effective means of deterring intruders. Using rubber bullets similar to those employed by law enforcement agencies, it provides a powerful deterrent without causing permanent harm. Its quick response, time of just 20 seconds from signal receipt to firing, makes it a valuable asset for securing properties. The remote-controlled operation allows security personnel to activate the gun from a safe distance, minimizing the risk of confrontation. By deploying non-lethal force, property owners can protect their assets and personnel while avoiding the legal and ethical implications of using lethal force. With adjustable settings and compatibility with pepper bullets, the Sublethal Remote Gun offers flexibility and versatility in addressing various security threats. From deterring trespassers to dispersing crowds, this innovative security solution provides a safe and effective means of maintaining order and protecting property. Wyze Cam Floodlight Pro. The Wyze Cam Floodlight Pro combines advanced security features with high-definition video recording to provide comprehensive surveillance for homes and businesses. With its integrated spotlight and concealed camera, it captures clear footage with a wide viewing angle, ensuring maximum coverage of the area. The AI-controlled lighting adapts to changing conditions, while the 105 decibel siren deters intruders and alerts occupants to potential threats. With support for microSD cards up to 256 GB, it ensures that crucial moments are recorded for future reference. The Wyze Cam Floodlight Pro offers peace of mind and security for homeowners and businesses, deterring intruders and protecting property around the clock. REHAU Smart Guard. REHAU Smart Guard triggers when an intruder approaches within 20 centimeters, providing an effective and compact security solution for homes, apartments, or garages. Equipped with flashing lights and a siren, it deters intruders and alerts homeowners to potential threats. With its easy installation and integration with existing security systems, REHAU Smart Guard offers peace of mind and protection against unauthorized access. Its compact design and user-friendly interface make it ideal for homeowners looking for a simple yet effective security solution. By combining advanced technology with intuitive controls, REHAU Smart Guard ensures that your property remains secure and protected at all times. SILATEC Armored Windows. SILATEC Armored Windows offer unparalleled protection against forced entry and ballistic threats. With the ability to withstand extreme conditions, including gunfire and ramming attacks, they provide a secure environment for occupants. Their durability and resilience make them a top choice for high-security applications. SILATEC armored windows are designed to withstand prolonged attacks, giving occupants time to seek refuge and contact authorities in the event of an emergency. With their advanced construction and rigorous testing, these windows provide peace of mind for property owners seeking maximum protection against security threats. Whether used in residential, commercial, or government buildings, SILATEC armored windows offer unmatched security and peace of mind. Ruswin Perimeter Electrical Fencing. Ruswin Perimeter Electrical Fencing provides a non-lethal security solution with precise detection capabilities. By delivering electric shocks only to intruders attempting to climb, it minimizes the risk of accidental injury. Paired with sensors, cameras, and smartphone alerts, it offers comprehensive intrusion detection, ensuring peace of mind for property owners. The fencing's advanced technology allows it to distinguish between human intruders and other objects, reducing the likelihood of false alarms. This intelligent approach to perimeter security ensures that only genuine threats trigger a response, minimizing unnecessary disruptions. With customizable settings and remote monitoring capabilities, Ruswin Perimeter Electrical Fencing empowers property owners to take proactive measures against intrusions. Whether used in residential, commercial, or industrial settings, this innovative security solution provides effective protection against unauthorized access. Intelligent Electric Fence Security Systems. The Intelligent Electric Fence security systems offer smart security features with real-time alerts and active deterrence mechanisms. By activating a siren and sending alerts directly to your smartphone, it provides instant notification of potential threats. Its energy-efficient design makes it a cost-effective solution suitable for various settings, including industrial and military installations. The system's intelligent algorithms analyze patterns of behavior to distinguish between normal activity and suspicious behavior, reducing false alarms and minimizing unnecessary disruptions. With its ability to adapt to changing conditions and emerging threats, Intelligent Electric Fence security systems provide robust protection against intruders. Whether used as a standalone security solution or integrated into a comprehensive security system, this innovative technology offers peace of mind and enhanced security for property owners. Insight Security Spikes. Insight. Security spikes serve as a robust addition to your security perimeter, deterring intruders with their formidable appearance. Made from durable plastic and designed to withstand adverse weather conditions, they provide an effective barrier while minimizing the risk of electrical hazards. The spikes' sharp design and menacing appearance send a clear message to would-be intruders, discouraging them from attempting to breach your property. With their easy installation and low maintenance requirements, In-Sight Security spikes offer a cost-effective solution for enhancing perimeter security. Whether used in residential, commercial, or industrial settings, these spikes provide a reliable means of protecting property and deterring unauthorized access. The Seceuroglide Roller Doors. Seceuroglide roller doors provide reliable garage security with certification to stringent standards. Their robust construction and resistance to damage make them an effective deterrent against burglars and intruders. With models available for both powered and manual operation, they offer flexibility and convenience for homeowners. Seceuroglide roller doors are designed to withstand forced entry attempts and provide a secure barrier against unauthorized access. With their smooth operation and low maintenance requirements, they offer peace of mind and convenience for homeowners seeking reliable garage security. Whether used in residential or commercial settings, Seceuroglide roller doors provide a cost-effective solution for enhancing security and protecting valuable assets. Avantis High Security FMT Window Lock. Avantis High Security FMT. Window Lock offers robust protection for windows, ensuring that intruders are unable to gain access to your property. With rigorous testing and certification to stringent standards, it provides peace of mind for homeowners seeking maximum security. The locks are designed to withstand harsh weather conditions and physical attacks, offering reliable protection against forced entry attempts. With production expanding globally, Avantis High Security FMT window locks are becoming increasingly popular for residential and commercial applications, providing unmatched security and peace of mind for property owners.